In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shopify order can't be shipped to your location. If customers see that message at checkout, it usually means there isn't a shipping profile or zone that covers their address, or the international market isn't active. We'll fix that by creating a shipping profile with a worldwide zone and confirming your international market is enabled. Start by opening your Shopify website and head to your admin dashboard. In the lower left corner, click Settings, then select Shipping and Delivery. This is where Shopify decides which products can go where and at what cost. Click Create New Profile. A shipping profile is like a set of rules for specific products or regions, so giving it a clear name helps you recognize it later. Enter a name that makes sense for you, such as international shipping or worldwide. Next, add the products you want to include in this profile. This tells Shopify that these items should follow the international rules you're about to set. If you're planning to make everything available internationally, add all applicable products here so they're covered. Now create the destination. Click Create Zone, then enter a zone name like Worldwide. Choose International, which covers countries outside your domestic market. This is the key step that opens up shipping to customers who aren't in your home country. Click Done to confirm the zone. With the zone created, decide how you want to charge for shipping. You can add a rate for a specific shipping price or set it to 0 for free shipping. If you want free shipping, create a rate and set the price to 0.00 so checkout clearly shows free shipping rather than blocking the order. If you prefer to charge, enter your desired amount. Keep the naming simple and clear so customers understand what they're selecting. When everything looks right, click Save. Saving applies the profile, zone, and rates so they take effect in your store. There's one more setting that can prevent international checkouts. Go back to Settings, Open Markets, and enable International. Make it active. This ensures your storefront actually sells to those countries, matching the shipping zone you just created. That's it. By creating a shipping profile with an international zone, adding a rate or free shipping, saving your changes, and activating the international market, you remove the can't be shipped to your location roadblock and make worldwide orders possible.